Hi everyone, I went to Louis Vuitton over the weekend and I thought I would share with you some new eye candy from the LV Spring Summer 23 collection. Let's start with this here. This is the new Tilsitt bag. It's called the Tilsitt. It's got the reverse monogram and the black treated leather, and the inside has the microfiber lining just like the Pochette Matisse. And in fact, I was able to do a side-by-side comparison right next to the Pochette Matisse, and you can see that the Tilsitt is just a little bit different, a little smaller with the top handle and the curved bottom, but same S-lock feature. And of course, this is next to the same reverse monogram print. And I just thought this was really cute. Actually, I was not expecting to really get excited about anything, but I was surprised. I was surprised by how adorable this bag was. You see how it rocks from side to side, but it stands on its own. And this is the adjustable strap. So this is like the Neo Noe strap, if you're familiar with that. It's got the studs so that you could pull it all the way out and make this a long crossbody strap or shorten it for shoulders. So I'll give you some mod shots here. This is me wearing it crossbody. And the handle does stand up like that. Sometimes it flops down, but that's what it looks like. I am about 5 feet 6 inches tall for reference. Here it is on one shoulder, so it hangs a little bit long on one shoulder. If you're taller, that might work better. This is the top handle. And here it is with the shorter shoulder strap. So this is the shortened version and it sits just right under my arm there. It's very comfortable. The only thing is, again, that top handle, it does flop forward, so that might get in the way a little bit. It also can flop backwards, but obviously when it's on you, it's not going to do that because your body is there. So here I'm going to give you a close-up from the top to the bottom. This is the shorter shoulder length. And I think this is a really nice fit for anyone, whether you're petite or tall. I think it will hang pretty nicely right under your arm. It's not too high, but you see that top handle again, falling forward. Here it is from the front. I really do think this is pretty. I don't own anything from the reverse monogram print, and I am always intrigued. Never enough to purchase one, but I think it's pretty. This one, by the way, I think is a little over $2,000. So pricing wise, yeah, prices have gone up quite a bit, and we know that from my previous videos. So here it is, top handle. I actually think it looks really pretty top handle without the strap. Strap is removable. Here it is from the back. You've just got a little peek of the reverse monogram print at the top, and then the classic monogram on the bottom. No back pocket, but it's a really pretty and sort of unique silhouette. All right, let's move on to the Speedy 20. They have introduced the Nanogram. That's what they're calling it, Nanogram. It's like nano-sized, micro-sized monogram print on calf leather. So here it is. I did notice that the hardware is a lot shinier now compared to previous models, so that's something to note. And then the chain strap is really pretty. So it's got the braided chain strap, and then the rest is all leather. So here's a close-up. If you guys know, I have a bag with this chain, but it's all chain on my bag. This one is a combo. So it's going to be more comfortable. So this is mine, the Speedy BB. That was a seasonal model that has since been discontinued. You can see it's got the beautiful braided chain all over. And I do wear this with lots of coats and thick sweaters because the chain is beautiful, but it's not going to be the most comfortable when it lays on your shoulder. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit more balanced, here are just some bunch of mod shots. You can see how all the different ways that I've been wearing my Speedy BB as an example, because you can also wear the new Speedy 20 in the Nanogram print this way as well, because it's got that chain embellishment. This is a shot of my Speedy BB next to the Speedy 20 in empreinte leather. Just to give you an idea, the one on the right is not mine, but I was able to take a picture, so that's what it's going to look like in terms of sizing. So this one here, I think the pricing is $3,100, so it's a pretty hefty price tag. Yeah, $3,100 from what I understand. It also comes in the blue. The lighting was horrible at the store. It's got like a yellow cast to it, so it's going to be more of a bright pop of blue in person. And then they also have this in like a bubblegum pink. It's again brighter in person, but if you're looking for a fun pop of color with this Nanogram print on a Speedy 20 size, here I have it on my body. This is what I mean. You got the beautiful braided chain on the bottom, so it has that like jeweled embellishment, but the top is all leather, so it's going to be more comfortable when it sits on your shoulder. You can see here, so this is on one shoulder. Again, I'm about 5 feet 6 inches tall for reference. Here it is crossbody. And here it is top handle. Really pretty. I personally don't like clusters of tiny little prints, but if you're into this, then you have many options. Here's a Neo Noe BB size with a braided top handle. Here's a cleaner shot if you're a fan of the Neo Noe. And I do think that this was very smart when they came out with the BB size, that they put the top handle in the past, and now with this braided one. So this one is the loop. If you're familiar with the loop bag, it was very, very popular last year when it was released. Now they've invested in putting it in leather with the braided handle or braided top handle that looks like it's kind of like an embellishment. You can take it off as well. You can also remove the longer strap. Here, oh, there's the Tilsitt on the right, and then on the left is the luggage tag, like XL size, basically. Huge. I don't think I got the pricing on this one. I did check if my phone fit. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it does fit. This one I had to just take a picture of for you guys. This is the key pouch, the clay, right? It's massive. I didn't think they would actually produce these. I remember seeing them on the runway on the fashion show, but yeah, they made them, and I don't know the price on this either, but I mean, I think only collectors are going to buy this, or super, super like fashion forward type of people. That's not me. Here's a clean shot of it. The giant monogram, giant oversized hardware for obviously not your keys. This one is the key bell or key like clochette shaped, oversized XL on a strap, so you can wear it on your shoulder or crossbody. This is going for $2,640, you guys. This one is the clutch. This is giving me major like vintage retro vibes, and it's got the hardware. It's got the sort of like slouchy kind of bunched bottom. This one in the monogram is $35.50. And this is the black leather version, and I believe it's $4,100. So there's about a $500 or $600 price difference between the canvas and the leather. This one in red, it's kind of like a tomato red. Same, about $4,100 is the price that I'm hearing for the US. By the way, I should say that all of these were available for pre-order when I went over the weekend. Which means that you would prepay full balance and then pick it up on Monday, which is the actual release date. This one here is the Dauphine, but it's got the oversized buckle. It's kind of fun. I remember when I first saw the Dauphine, I was intrigued. This one is, I think, the size. So the Dauphine size in the Nanogram print, I believe, is going for $46.60. Yeah. I think that's what it was. $46.60 for the size, and then for the mini size, I heard $3,800. So, you're going to pay a pretty penny for these if you're interested in any of these designs. So here's just another look. They all have that braided detail. So this is the twist lock, but it's the XL with the epi leather. So the front hardware is totally exaggerated, oversized, kind of fun, kind of edgy. $4,500 for this one. Yeah, this has the cognac brown or caramel color to it. The hardware, I don't know. I feel like the hardware is just getting shinier. Is it just me? Oh, this one I didn't get to see in person, but it's the Nautical print. So these photos were taken off of Foxy LV's Instagram feed, and I think she borrowed these photos from someone else, so I'll credit in my description box. You can see that the Neverfull is coming in this nautical print on the Damier Azur. So some people are saying they love this. It's fresh. It's spring, summer. Some are saying old lady vibes. I don't know. I'm not really a Neverfull fan, so I'll just stay quiet. So here's the interior with the matching pouch. And this one is the Alma BB, and it looks kind of nice with the softer colors and the vachetta leather. And this is the Neo Noe. Now on the Neo Noe, I have to be frank, I feel like it's just too much going on with the drawstring leather bits coming down and then the chain and rope detail. It's a lot. Here it is on the Felici, a close-up so you can see how it is placed on top of the Damier Azur print. Here's the Speedy Bandolier 25 size. If you're interested in a Speedy but with a twist, I know that a lot of us talk about how Speedies are just everywhere and you're bored of them. Some of you are. I still like them. But if you wanted something a little bit different on a classic, that's an option. Here's a pricing that Foxy LV posted. Neverfull going for $23.70. Neo Noe size going for $23.80. Alma BB 2100, and the Speedy Bandolier 25 2150. I would love to know what you guys think, if you have a favorite design among the ones I showed so far, and what you think of the pricing overall. I was literally just passing through and I stayed in the Louis Vuitton store for about 10 minutes or so, maybe 15 minutes tops. This was all the eye candy that I could get for you guys. I hope it was helpful for those of you who've been interested in seeing the Spring Summer 23 collection up close. Let me know if you have a favorite. Let me know what you think about the designs, the prices, and just how you're feeling about Louis Vuitton overall these days. Please leave me a comment down below. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.